Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. A few days ago I reviewed the Topsky Prime1S FPV goggles and I mentioned that these goggles will provide you an excellent value for money as long as the internal RX is not going to suck, so in this video I'm going to test it out. On my test I'm going to record the internal screen of the Prime1S using a GoPro camera, and I'm also going to record the flight footage using its DVR. The receiver I'm going to compare it with is the KremerFPV TrueD 3.7 receiver, which is mounted on the KremerFPV docking. I'm going to record the flight footage using this DVR module. In addition, I'm going to record it externally using a screen which is connected to the AV out, and I'm going to capture the video using this camera. As for the antennas, I'm going to use the same ones on both receivers. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head outdoors and test it out, and I will see you in the end of this video in order to give you my conclusion. So overall, I really hope to tell you that the internal RX of the Prime1S goggles does not suck, but I'm afraid I can't tell you that because it kind of does. First of all, I can confirm that the left receiver is not working. I'm not sure if it's a software or a hardware issue. I hope it is a software issue because then they might be able to fix it through a software update, but I'm not sure. And if you're going to buy these goggles, you should keep it in mind that this receiver is not working. Another major issue that occurred is that when the battery wasn't full, there was lots of interruption on the screen, and you can see that it's not connected to the signal quality, it is something else, and I think that this is a major problem, and I'm not sure if it is just because of the battery or because other components, and in total those two problems make the internal RX unreliable. So in my opinion, if you already have these goggles, I wouldn't trust the internal RX, and what I would do is to try to use an external one. I did a video on how to add a diversity module to the Ishin EV100, and you can repeat the same steps and add your own diversity receiver to the Prime1S. And basically what you're going to make is this adapter. On one end, it's going to connect to the video in of the goggles, and you need to power it up externally using a 2S type of battery, and this end is going to connect to a FetchHawk compatible diversity receiver. I know this is not a plug-and-play solution, but if you already have these goggles and you want to properly use them, this adapter might help you out. Anyway, in the next few days, I'm going to take apart these goggles and maybe I'll be able to find a better solution. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.